Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can sign up or create your Bank of America account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is open up a web browser of your preference and type in the URL of Bank of America, which is www.bankofamerica.com. Once you do so, you will be redirected to its login page. Now you need to click on the login option, which is on the upper right hand side of the corner. So now as you end up in this page, you need to click on enroll, which will divert you to this interface. Now simply type in your card or account number and the tax ID number provided to you. So once you are done filling up both the credentials, you are all done and signed up into your Bank of America account. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.